up there give me a unsafe lane change because one of my turn signals on my pup trailer, one of them on the right side worked, but the other one on the right side didn't. It had two of them, and he gave me an unsafe lane change for it.
Yeah, there's some of them, they're just out there to be pricks, and there's some of them that are pretty cool. They understand, you know, what's mechanical failure, electrical failure.
Well, like I said, I don't see how that was an unsafe lane change when I had one of them was working out of the two. But he said both of them wasn't working, and that would misconstrue what I was doing.
They misconstrued this motherfucker. Last year I got pulled over in Franklin. He let me go. It was pretty cool.
He's gone now. The guy that picked up truck today.
Yeah, because the one got me was up real wide.
Yeah, you know what he got busted for? Coaching deer. They relieved him of his duties.
They pulled me over and I had two tires. He said, are kind of so-so, but they really need to be changed. And this one, he goes, it's definitely got to be, you got to do something. He said, it's slicker than an apple peel. I said, okay, I had one brake just a little bit out of adjustment. Well, he just told me warnings on everything. I go back and I tell him about them tires. Well, the Mike Phelps went out there with a tire gauge and fucking gauged them. He said, well, you still got 335. I said, I don't care. This is what the fucking guy said. I want to do something. I'm not driving that truck.
Yeah, I don't. Mike irritates me on his tires. He really does.
I looked at and said, we're putting new ones on today, Mike. Mike goes, well, what makes a difference? He got enough tread, and Mark goes, the difference is he's got a warning ticket on it. I got to send this in. We got to do something.
Yeah. They can't just write on there and say, yeah, we fixed it.